So I'm Jamaal, I'm one of the Rule 1 faculty. Where I grew up was very much an inner city environment, very much people just trying to make it. We're all just trying to survive. And in fact, I didn't learn about investing until after I had been medically retired from the military. Okay, I didn't know what a financial future meant. All I was thinking about was I have mouths to feed and I need to survive. And that was my mentality. And I was working a government contract job, sharing an office with someone who was, during work hours, constantly checking his investments. He then, every day, would tolerate me asking him questions about investing because, again, I didn't know what investing was. And I think he just got frustrated with me one day and he said, here, go Google Warren Buffett and just start there. Just start there. And that was his way of shooing me, but it also gave me this huge world of information to dive into. As I was reading an article on Warren Buffett, there was this little advertisement on the side of the page on another website that said, hey, come check out my 2 books and my new podcast is coming out. And I didn't know anything about Rule 1 or the podcast, but something said, click this thing and check it out, and I did. And that's when I found Phil and Rule 1 and really started to dig in deep with this amazing style of investing that was so simple. And that was the moment that changed my life. After initially finding Phil on the website and reading his books, I was so blown away by his books, they just wouldn't leave me alone. But I didn't do anything. I didn't know what to do. And so I had a family vacation coming up and we were on a family road trip down to Disney. And on the way back, there was a disagreement that happened over something simple that turned into me blurting out in the middle of this disagreement, I want to go to this workshop. And it came out of nowhere and it was just like, hey, I don't know what's going on with you, but if this thing is so important, you need to go. And I went to that workshop and it completely changed my life. It changed my life not only in terms of being able to take control of my financial future, but I found what it was that was my calling, which is helping other people learn. That's where I get the most joy. And that's where I feel the strongest, when I'm able to see other people begin to take control of their money and have their own successes. Rule 1 community is a community like no other. There is nowhere else on the planet where I've been able to find a group of people who are genuinely interested in seeing everyone achieve their goals, seeing everyone do better, achieve their version of financial freedom. To come to one place where you have people from different backgrounds, different beliefs, people literally all over the world. So we're coming from different places. We all volunteer to come together to not only help other people learn how to invest, but to help ourselves become better investors. I have never found a community like this, and this is one of the things that truly makes Rule 1 special. And if you're learning about investing, you've got to do yourself a favor, don't delay, and get to a workshop. We're going to teach you this amazing method that's simple on how to invest. We're going to teach you how to find the companies, how to identify if there's a moat, if there's good management, and what the value of that business is. So I think for anybody who's watching this video, regardless of where you come from, whether you have no money like I did or you have mountains of money, the knowledge that you're going to get when you come to this workshop will empower you to be able to set your financial goals from that point into the future.